Hi everyone, my name is Dan, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to pronounce wine names. Let's begin. Wine names could be confusing because the way they are spelled doesn't always match up with the way they are pronounced. So I'm going to clear all that up for you and pronounce the names so that you can hear them, so that you know how to communicate these wine names to your coworkers at the bar. Alright, so we're going to start off with the whites, then we're going to move over to the reds. So at the top of the list with the whites, we have Chardonnay. Chardonnay. Could I get a glass of Chardonnay? Could I get a bottle of Chardonnay? Chardonnay. That's how you pronounce Chardonnay. Alright, moving on to the next, we have Sauvignon Blanc. I say again, Sauvignon Blanc. Hey bartender, I'll take a glass of Sauvignon Blanc. What would you like to drink? I'll drink Sauvignon Blanc. That's how you pronounce Sauvignon Blanc. Next, we have Pinot Grigio. Pinot Grigio. Not Pinot Grigio. It's pronounced Pinot Grigio. I'll take a glass of Pinot Grigio. And that's how you pronounce Pinot Grigio. Alright, next on our list we have Moscato. I'll take a glass of Moscato, please. Moscato. It's pronounced Moscato. Alright, so last on our list for white wines we have Riesling. Hey bartender, I'll take 2 glasses of Riesling for table 2. Could I get a bottle of Riesling for table 2? Riesling. It's pronounced Riesling. Alright, moving on to the red wines now. First on our list, we have Cabernet Sauvignon. I'll take a bottle of Cabernet Sauvignon. It's pronounced Cabernet Sauvignon. Next, we have Pinot Noir. Pinot Noir. Hey bartender, I'll take 2 bottles of Pinot Noir. Pinot Noir. That's how you pronounce Pinot Noir. Next, we have Zinfandel. 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 Hey bartender, how about a couple of bottles of Zinfandel? It's pronounced Zinfandel. Next we have Malbec. Malbec. I'll take a glass of Malbec, please. Malbec. That's how you pronounce Malbec. Alright, last on our list of red wine names, we have Merlot. Not to be confused with Merlot. It's pronounced Merlot. Alright guys, that's the end of this bartending school tutorial. If you liked the video, please like the video. If you're new, subscribe for more bartending videos. And if you are looking to get a bartending job in the fastest way possible, I suggest you pick up my ebook, Bartending School at Home. Alright guys, that's it for now. Take care, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!